You think the animal kingdom is all about survival, hunting, and instincts? Oh no. Some animals are basically criminals, running scams, stealing, even straight up murdering for fun. And wait till you meet the tiny sea creature that's basically running its own organized crime ring underwater. Yeah, that's coming up. Let's dive into the animal mafia, criminal geniuses of the wild. Number 1, dolphins. You probably know them as playful, smiley sea creatures, but behind that permanent grin, oh, they're running serious schemes. Dolphins have been caught doing some truly shady stuff. In fact, they've been seen kidnapping baby dolphins just to blackmail their parents for food. No joke. Researchers have observed them working together in coordinated attacks and pulling off crimes that would make gangsters proud. From using complex tricks to snatch fish from fishermen to literally playing with their food before eating it, dolphins run the ocean like mob bosses. They have been spotted committing acts of violence, forming gangs, and even sabotaging rival dolphin pods. Some scientists believe dolphins can plot revenge attacks, displaying an unsettling level of intelligence. And let's not forget their creepy intelligence. They know exactly what they're doing. If dolphins wore suits, they'd be swimming around with cigars and briefcases. Number 2, crows. Here come the crows. These birds are basically professional thieves with feathers. Crows are ridiculously smart. They can solve puzzles, recognize faces, and even pass down crime tricks to their offspring. In Japan, crows have been caught dropping nuts onto busy roads, waiting for cars to crack them, then swooping in during the red light to collect their loot. But they don't stop at just that. Crows have also been observed stealing food from unsuspecting animals and even tricking other birds into dropping their food. Oh, and they also steal shiny objects just because they like them. Jewelry, coins, if it glitters, it's fair game. Crows don't just survive, they run elaborate heists. It's like Ocean's 11, but with feathers. Number 3, honey badgers. If there were a most wanted poster in the animal world, honey badgers would be plastered all over it. These little troublemakers are known for their insane ability to escape from anywhere. In zoos, they've been filmed stacking rocks, digging tunnels, and even opening locked doors to bust out of enclosures. Once free, they don't just enjoy the sunshine. Nope. They head straight for trouble, raiding beehives, robbing nests, and challenging animals twice their size. Some honey badgers even use tools to escape, showing a shocking level of planning and determination. Honey badgers are the definition of chaos. They break out, break in, and break rules for fun. Number 4, octopuses. Meet the octopus. This creature is basically an 8-armed criminal mastermind. Octopuses have been caught sneaking out of their tanks at night, crawling across floors and slipping into neighboring tanks just to snag a midnight snack. One octopus famously escaped its aquarium tank, snuck into another, ate fish there, then returned home like nothing happened. They can open jars, solve puzzles, and squeeze through spaces the size of a coin. Seriously, if an octopus wanted your wallet, you wouldn't even see it happen. They also disguise themselves with camouflage and mimic other animals to avoid getting caught, making them some of the most elusive criminals of the sea. Number 5, otters. Otters may look cute and playful, but some of them live like riverbank mobsters. In the wild, certain otter groups have been seen stealing food, attacking rivals, and even chasing away other animals to dominate their turf. They mug others for their catch, fight to keep their fishing grounds, and have been known to gang up on intruders. Otters also exhibit mob-like behavior by cooperating to run other animals off prime river real estate. It's like watching a furry mafia squad taking over the riverbank. These adorable enforcers aren't afraid to flex their muscle to keep their bellies full. If you thought otters were just cute swimmers, think again. Number 6, cleaner fish. Let me introduce you to the cleaner fish. Sounds innocent, right? Don't be fooled. These fish are supposed to be the ocean's spa workers, cleaning parasites off larger fish, but some of them scam their clients. They put on a show, pretending to clean, then sneak in a quick bite of skin or mucus. Some even stage fake cleaning sessions to lure in more victims, only to pull the same bait and switch. Cleaner fish have been seen working in pairs to distract their clients while their partners steal bites of flesh. They're literally the con artists of the coral reefs, turning every cleaning session into a scam. Number 7. Macox. Now let's talk about macaques. These monkeys are infamous for their life of crime, especially in tourist areas. Macaques have been caught snatching sunglasses, wallets, and even smartphones right out of people's hands. But here's where it gets shady. They often hold the stolen items hostage, waiting for food bribes to give them back. That's right, they're running a full-on ransom scheme. They even know which items are most valuable and will intentionally target expensive goods. These monkeys are clever, calculating, and absolutely fearless. Number 8. Seagulls. Seagulls may seem like ordinary beach birds, but in reality they're professional food snatchers. They swoop down on unsuspecting people, stealing fries, sandwiches, and even ice cream right out of their hands. These feathered pirates are bold enough to raid markets and outdoor cafes, often working in pairs or flocks to overwhelm their victims. Researchers have even discovered that seagulls study human behavior, learning the best times and places to strike. Number 9. Parasitic wasps. Meet the parasitic wasps. These creepy insects don't just steal, they literally hijack their victims' minds. Parasitic wasps inject their eggs into unsuspecting hosts, like spiders or caterpillars. Once inside, the larvae take control, forcing their hosts to act as living bodyguards. The host protects the wasp larva until it eventually dies, leaving the wasp to emerge victorious. This isn't just theft, it's mind control. Pure nightmare fuel. Imagine being forced to protect the thing that's slowly destroying you from the inside out. Yeah, it's that dark. Number 10. Snapping turtles. These reptiles don't run, don't hide, they wait. Snapping turtles are ambush predators that lure in their prey using a sneaky trick. They wiggle their worm-like tongue to bait fish, then snap. One lightning-fast bite and it's game over. They sit completely still for hours, patiently waiting for just the right moment to strike. No chase, no mercy. In the world of animal crime, snapping turtles are the patient assassins lurking in the shadows until it's far too late. Number 11. Raccoons. You knew these guys had to show up, right? Raccoons, also known as trash pandas, are famous for their sneaky and mischievous behavior. These nocturnal burglars are known for breaking into homes, stealing pet food, and raiding garbage cans like it's a buffet. They use their nimble hands to open doors, unlock bins, and even unscrew jars. They're so clever that some cities have had to create special raccoon-proof garbage bins. Raccoons don't just steal for survival, they do it for fun. They're always plotting their next snack heist under the cover of darkness. Number 12. Burrowing Owls. Burrowing owls might look adorable, but these birds know how to play dirty. They often move into abandoned burrows, but some of them have been caught using a sneaky trick to keep competitors away. These owls scatter animal dung around their nests to attract dung beetles, their favorite snack. It also makes their home smell terrible to other animals, scaring off potential intruders. On top of that, they hiss like rattlesnakes when threatened, tricking predators into thinking they're facing something far more dangerous. Burrowing owls are deceptive, resourceful, and not afraid to get their wings dirty. Speaking of dirty tricks, the next animal takes things to a whole new level. Number 13. Ants. Ants might seem like simple little workers, but some species are ruthless masterminds. Certain types of ants, like the Amazon ants, raid other ant colonies, steal their young, and force them to work as slaves. These raider ants organize full-scale invasions, taking captives back to their nests where they make them do all the work, from cleaning to feeding. It's like an insect version of a crime syndicate, with the raider ants lounging around while their enslaved workers keep the colony running. Number 14. Lyrebirds. Lyrebirds are the ultimate impersonators of the animal kingdom. These birds can mimic almost any sound they hear, including chainsaws, car alarms, camera shutters, and even human voices. They use their mimicry to confuse rivals, scare off threats, and attract mates by showing off their sound copying skills. Some lyrebirds have even been recorded tricking other birds into thinking predators are nearby, causing them to flee and leaving food up for grabs. Lyrebirds might not steal your wallet, but they can definitely steal the spotlight and your identity. But brace yourself, the last animal on our list is arguably the most disturbing of them all. Number 15. Cuckoo birds. Meet the cuckoo bird, nature's most infamous con artist. Cuckoos lay their eggs in the nests of other bird species, tricking them into raising their young. Once the cuckoo chick hatches, it often pushes out the host's real eggs or chicks to get all the food and attention. The host birds don't even realize they've been conned. They work tirelessly to feed this imposter. Cuckoos are the ultimate freeloaders, masters of manipulation who get others to do their dirty work. So yeah, turns out the wild isn't just about survival of the fittest, it's survival of the shadiest. If you enjoyed learning about these wild criminals, like and subscribe for more insane animal facts, and drop a comment about which animal mafia boss shocked you the most.